Alright guys, I'm headed into town to do a couple of things. I just stopped and got my hair cut. I love how she cut it. I think I'm going to treat myself to some lunch and then back out to the van. Alright, we're down here at Riverside Park. I gotta waste a little time before I pick up Marvin from school. So I thought I'd drive down to Riverside and take a little bit of video of it. Let's take an afternoon bike ride, guys. Almost getting chilly. It's getting towards the end of the evening. Almost getting chilly. Look at that over there towards those mountains. Got a storm rolling in, it looks like. Sure do. My phone didn't say anything about a storm, but it looks like we got one rolling in. Let's listen to some music and take a bike ride. Here we go. Got a nice big field to graze in there. All right, let's get back on our bike ride. I had to turn it off in there because they were playing music, copyright music, so I turned it off. We're headed back to van. I'll just pick you guys up back there. We'll see you at the van. What's up, guys? It's getting later in the evening. Been a long day. Did a lot today. It felt good to do stuff. Got my hair trimmed. It's a mess right now because I've been riding the bike. And yeah, but it's been a fun day. Definitely like that taco salad. That was super good. But yeah, so today when I got back from my bike ride, Fitville e-bikes, the bike that I ride right now, the company that makes that sent me another bike. So I'm going to be doing a video on that soon and putting it together. It has a 1,000-watt motor compared to the 500-watt motor that the bike I ride now has. But I'll show you guys all that in the video. I have somebody here hitting my arm while I'm trying to talk. It's this one, Miss Grumpy Butt. Huh, are you Grumpy Butt? She don't know. She Grumpy Butt, huh? Miss Mozzarella. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to the bike thing. Also, it's getting close to the season where the rain's going to be stopping. I'll be untarping my van and setting up that new canopy. Also, Vivor, I'm talking to them about maybe a collaboration with an outdoor catio that rolls on wheels, and I can just roll it up to my window when I'm parked and roll it away when I want to pull away. So hopefully that goes through, doing the collab with them. So I'm looking forward to that. Hoping to hear from them next week. Day for lunch and dinner, I'm going to go get a chicken tater down at the barbecue. I don't feel like cooking today, and one of those lasts 2 meals. So it makes for an easy weekend day. Probably ride my bike down there. All right, guys. That's all I got for you today. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the cruise through Riverside and the bike ride out here. You guys take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace out.